Hello there guys! For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make cracked text effect in Photoshop. And also we will dive deeper into using of type tool, desaturating layers, applying levels adjustment, create clipping mask, and with the use of the free transformation. So let's get started! So the first step for creating a crack lines effect is we're going to change our background color to black. So to do that, going on to the layers panel, selecting that background layer, go to the menu bar, go to edit, then choose fill. So this fill dialog box will appear. For the contents, set this one to black, blend mode to normal, and the opacity of 100%. And then hit OK. Now we already changed it to black. Now the next step we're going to do here is we're going to apply the text layer. So to do that, going on to the toolbar, find the T-shaped symbol, right? That's the type tool, or just press T for the shortcut key. Okay, and then for the options on top, I'm gonna make use of a film lure as our font style. Okay, so let's apply it on our canvas. So I'm just going to click it on the canvas and then type the text that you want. So let's say it's cracked text. As you can see, size is small, so going on to the layers panel, selecting the text layer, press Ctrl plus T for the free transformation, and then let's resize this one and then hit enter. And by the way, if you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. So once we already have our text on our document, now let's go on the other document because I prepare here this crack image that we will be applied to the text later on. Alright, so to bring this layer there, all you have to do is to press Ctrl plus A to select the image. Press Ctrl plus C to copy. Let's go back to our original document. Press Ctrl plus V to paste it. Okay. So as you can see, the image of this is too big. So let's adjust the scale of that. Press Ctrl plus T once again. And then let's drag those points in. Okay. Right. So I'm gonna fit this one to our text, making sure that it's compact. Okay, something like that. Now, from this layer, or that crack layer, right click on it, and then choose Create Clipping Mask so that it will go through the text. So there are. Now, we're not yet done here because our next goal here is to desaturate this image. Make sure that you're selected on that crack layer, all right? That's this one, crack. And then I'm going to desaturate that by pressing Control plus Shift plus U. Okay, so once I did that, the cracked image turned into black and white only. Okay, and now we're going to apply levels here because our goal here is to make the crack only visible. All right, so with that crack layer selected, press Control plus L, and this level dialog box will appear. Now we may now start adjusting it. Okay, so from the highlight slider, I'm going to click and drag over here. All right, to bring out to make the highlights brighter. So look at that. The cracks are getting more visible. Right. So once you're good with it, hit OK. Right. All right. So once we already have these layers, now I'm going to click this crack layer, press Control, and select on that crack text layer as well. Right click on it, and then choose on rasterize type. So once they're already rasterized, right click on them, and then choose on merge layers. There you are. Okay. Now the next step here is we're going to split those crack. We're going to move the position right of those crack areas. So to do that, I'm gonna make use of a lasso tool. Right. So going on to the toolbar, go to the third tool, first, second, third, right click on it, and then choose the first one, lasso tool. Okay, now let's create a selection. So I'll starting from here from the letter C, I'm going to draw a line, a selection like that from this area, following those cracks. Okay, so once I already have this, press Ctrl plus T for the transformation command, and now I may now able to move this one apart from that text. Okay, or you can rotate it, you can adjust the position, anything you like can do, but make sure that the text is still readable, right? Okay. Then hit and press Ctrl plus T to remove the selection. There you are. Okay, so I'm going to do the same thing what I did. Press Ctrl plus T. So let's say this area is already falling apart. Then hit enter, press Ctrl plus D to deselect. There. Alright, so I'll just keep on doing the same thing what I'm doing here. And there are. And that is how to create a cracked text effect in Photoshop.